room, and I can't breathe. Every word you say, it cuts me deep. I try to smile, pretend it's all okay, but inside I'm crumbling, can't make it stay. Your touch, it lingers, it leaves a mark, but being near you tears me apart. I need some space, some time to heal, to find myself and remember what I feel. I can't be around you right now, right now. I need to find my way somehow, somehow. Every moment, every memory is too hard for me to carry. Sitting here staring at the empty space, trying to erase the trace of your face. Every time it hurts, every time I breathe, I'm reminded of the love we used to be. Walking down the street, the memories unfold, but I can't hold on to what we had, I'm told. Every step I take, every word I say, feels like a weight I can't bear, day by day. I can't be around you right now, right now. I need to find my way somehow, somehow. Every moment, every minute